Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. A big thank you to all of you who've been following our journey. And if you're new here, welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce a powerful tool that will make distance calculations in Excel effortless. If you need to measure distances between multiple locations and streamline logistics planning, you're in the right place. We've been creating Excel tools for over 16 years, helping more than 7,500 businesses improve their workflow. With 130 plus 5-star Google reviews, our tools have been proven to save businesses time and effort. If you're looking for a reliable way to calculate driving distances in Excel, this tool is the solution. Our driving distance in matrix calculator in Excel is designed to help businesses, delivery services, real estate professionals, and logistics teams calculate distances between multiple locations in a structured matrix format. Instead of manually checking distances one by one, this tool automates everything, saving you hours of work. A distance matrix is a table that displays distances between multiple locations in an easy-to-read grid. With our Excel-based tool, you simply input a list of addresses or zip codes, and the tool automatically calculates driving distances between every location pair. No need for complex mapping software, just Excel. To use this tool, you'll need a Google Maps API key, which allows Excel to retrieve accurate driving distances. If you don't have an API key yet, don't worry. We've included a step-by-step guide in the description to help you generate one. Once your API key's set up, you're ready to go. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, download the tool using the link in the description. Open the Excel file and enter your list of addresses or zip codes into the first row in the first column. Then, click the Calculate button, and within seconds, the tool will generate a full driving distance matrix, displaying the exact distances between all locations. The best part? This tool is user-friendly, requires no installation, and provides instant results. Whether you're optimizing delivery routes, defining service areas, or planning territories, this calculator will save you time, reduce errors, and help you make data-driven decisions. You can download the driving distance in matrix calculator in Excel using the link in the description. Need a custom version? Have questions? Reach out to us. We provide real human support via phone, email, or live chat on our website. No bots, just expert assistance. Vinny, the mastermind of Excel distance calculators, will personally assist you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel automation tools, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calculating.